In this video, we'll see how to utilize the permissions we have against a folder or a file. Let's navigate to the Documents module from the Switch module option from the left side of your screen. Now you'd see multiple folders and files that have already been uploaded onto the Documents module. On hovering onto the file, you can see that there are three dots on the right corner of the file. Click on the three dots and you can see a set of options. Click on the Share option to manage the permissions of the individual files, like whom we can share, whether we wish to keep it private or make it public. On clicking Share, we land on the permission screen. Here you get options to manage permissions. We can toggle here to make the file private, which means none of the users can see the file and only the current user will have access to this file. Let's go ahead and select a specific user that we wish to give access to for this specific file. So I've chosen Josh in this case, and I'm going to go ahead and give him her view access. So view access gives Josh the permission to only view the specific file. So now let's go ahead and log in as Josh and see how it looks on his end. Now we've logged in as Josh, and I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the Documents module and refresh. Once I refresh, you have two options here. One would be My Documents. Those are the documents that are uploaded by the user. And there's a second one called Shared Documents, where you'd find all the documents that have been shared by other users from the project card. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Shared Documents, and you will notice that all the shared documents are mentioned right here. And if you notice, this was the file that we had shared from a general contractor view. So now let's go ahead and see what access we get. So as you've noticed, the only option we see right here is an option to view the document, and we can't really make any changes to this, right? And if you click on the three dots on the corner, all you'd see is the information. Information gives you info about when this was downloaded, the type, when it was created, etc. And you also have an option to create an RFI. Now let's go back to the general contractor view and try and give share access, and then come back to the owner view and see what it looks like. So now that I'm back here as Stacy Warren, who's a general contractor, go back to the same file, click on Share, select Josh, and go ahead and give them, let's say, share access, and click on Done. Now let's go back to the owner view and just refresh the page and click on Share Documents again. Go back to the specific file that we've shared, and you would see an option to share this specific document with other users of the project card. Similarly, let's go ahead and give them full access. Now going back, clicking on Share, select Josh, click on Full Access, and click on Done. Perfect. So now I'm going to go back to the owner view and refresh the page. Once refreshed, I'm going to go back to Share Documents, click on three dots right here on the corner, and you will notice that you have the option to rename, download, share, move, create an RFI, edit the PDF, and also delete. So let's go ahead and delete this. You see, are you sure you want to delete this file? This action cannot be undone. This gives you full access, which allows you to delete. So now I'm going to cancel for now. Let's say we rename this file. I'm just going to say Demo Case for now and click on Rename, and automatically you will see that the name has been changed according to what we've typed in. This is how you can make changes to files and give access to multiple users under the Documents module.